welcome to Wing High. It's my great honor to introduce our Full HD media player MPC1005 to you. You can see this mode supports HDMI out, audio out, and digital audio out. What is fantastic? There is one RS232 serial port you can control from your PC. And this mode can support at most 6 LED buttons or no LED buttons. And now we have the function to support 12 no LED buttons. The contents can be from SD card or USB. User can define the sound output mode by yourself. When you press the button, I press button 1. The sound is from optical out. When I press button 2, the sound is from audio. You can hear from this. When I press the third button, the sound is from HDMI. The corresponding files here is different to be mute. You can hear there is no sound. When I press the fifth button, you can hear all sound output mode. The sixth is pause, and you press the same time, it will be play. Thank you.